so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever played on a playground outside at the park? Wow, isn't it so much fun? I love swinging on the swings. Hey, why don't you and we draw a swing together? All right, I'm gonna start with the color black, and I'm gonna make, it looks like the smile on a smiley face. Whoa, but I'm actually making the seat just like that. And I'm gonna do 2 of them. Whoa, yeah, it also kind of looks like a banana, huh? All right, then let's do 4 vertical lines just like that. All right, now let's draw the start of a square. Don't connect the bottom. And then let's draw 2 diagonal lines, and there it is. There's a swing. But hey, what's at a park most of the time? Yeah, a lot of grass. Whoa, what a beautiful swing set. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a bee. Bzz. Not just any bee, bee from Lellobee City Farm. Whoa, bees are very important for our environment and pollination. All right, to draw a bee, I'm gonna take blue and draw a circle for the head. Ooh, an arched line for the body. Ooh, and some more curved lines for the wings. There we go. And can't forget about the cute legs. Ooh, and 2 arms. There we go. Wow. All right, let's draw some circles for the eyes like that. Whoa, there we go. It's starting to look like bee, right? And then some suspenders. There we go. Yeah, for the overalls. Cool. And bee actually has stripes, just like a regular bee. There we go. And then let's draw a big smile, just like that. And you can't forget about the antennas. There we go. All right, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a dinosaur with plates on its back and spikes on its tail. Yeah, you guessed it, a Stegosaurus. All right, to draw a Stegosaurus, let's draw a curved line for its back. Ooh, and then a curved line for its tail, just like that. And then let's go down and draw 4 legs, because Stegosauruses had 4 legs. And then a straight line for the body, 2 more legs to complete the 4, and then, yeah, some curved lines for the head. Whoa, can't forget about the circle for the eye, and a little smiley face. Yeah, but what's it missing? Yeah, the plates. And every Stegosaurus had 17 or more plates. So, will you count 17 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Cool. All right, that was so much fun drawing the Stegosaurus with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. See you later, Red Stegosaurus. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever wanted to be an astronaut and go into outer space? Yeah, me too. Maybe you and I should draw a rocket ship together. Well, let's use the color purple. Yeah, rocket ships are how astronauts get into outer space. So let's draw a point right up top. Looks like the start of a triangle, right? And then these 2 lines go straight down. And if you connected right there and right there, which we won't, that would be a rectangle. Instead, we're gonna draw a circle for the porthole. All right, let's draw a really small rectangle down here. There we go. And then we need some fins. Yeah, a couple straight lines just like that. Whoa, this rocket looks fast, doesn't it? And then a straight line right there to make another rectangle. Ooh, some dots. Yeah, for some bolts, so it stays all connected. And then some flames. Isn't that so much fun? Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I would love to draw something with you. How about a computer? Yeah, a computer is a machine that you can work on. Whoa! Sending emails, or maybe you could even edit and make a video. Awesome! All right, to draw a computer, I'm gonna grab my black marker and draw a rectangle up here. Whoa, look at that rectangle. And then I'm gonna draw a rectangle inside the rectangle for the screen. Whoa, check that out. And then I'm gonna draw a really wide base rectangle. Wait a second, that looks like a trapezoid. Whoa, let's draw some lines like this. Whoa, and then some horizontal lines. Yeah, now that looks like the keyboard. Whoa, computers are awesome. And maybe on the screen, you're watching a video of a heart. Wow, cool. Wow, I love drawing. And if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to know one of my favorite snacks when it's really hot outside? Yeah, an ice cream cone. They taste so good, and it's nice and cold when it's hot outside. Hey, why don't you and I draw an ice cream cone? All right, first I'm gonna start with the color purple, and then I'm gonna act like I'm drawing a circle, but I'm gonna stop about halfway. And then I'm gonna draw some half circles on the bottom, just like that. Ooh, that's the ice cream. Ooh, and then you can't forget about the cone. So I'm gonna use the color brown and draw a V. Yeah, if I drew straight across there, then that would be a triangle. All right, let's connect that, just like that. And then I'm gonna do some stripes. Whoa! Yeah, it looks like we have some texture right there. Wow, doesn't that look yummy? Whoa! Wow, I sure do love drawing, and I sure do love ice cream. I only eat ice cream after I eat a nice healthy meal. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a dog. Hey, why don't you and I draw a dog together? Yeah. All right, first we need to draw 6 circles on the bottom. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. And now 2 half circles, one right there. Whoa, and a bigger one right there. Whoa, and let's draw 2 eyes. Yeah, 2 circles that we color in, just like that. And then let's fill this area in for the nose. And we can't forget about the whiskers. Those are just dots, just like that. Oh, and let's make a little tongue. Ah. Okay, let's draw some ovals for some ears, just like that. And then we need to draw the tail. Whoa! Look at that long point. And to finish it up, let's draw some straight lines for the feet. Whoa, cool. Did you like drawing the dog with me? Yeah, that was fun. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Woof, 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 woof.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning